Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the Mr. Fix-It channel. I'm working on Suzuki GS850 again. Now I know it's been a long time since I uploaded any videos of this bike, so I'm going to put a link right up here in the corner to all this chaos. I did get the tail section mounted. Let's see how it got here. Stay tuned.
I was sitting out there in the shed one evening, not doing too much of nothing, just kind of staring at the wall. And
Alright, I know that I've been saying that I'm not spending any money on this project, but let me be clear. I'm not spending any money if I don't have to spend the money. Like the fairing I already had. I didn't buy none of that, you know. But what I'm getting at is I did buy something for this project. So the tail section, this part here needs something, right? So what I have here is, this is a Suzuki GSXR1000 rear tail section. I went ahead and bought this. I found it pretty cheap, so I'm going to try to find a way to install this onto here. Now normally there's a seat or a cowl pan that goes here, so I also bought this piece to go on here. So as you can see already, even without me doing anything, that's going to fit rather well. All I got to do is some modifications to the frame back here and try to get this thing attached, and then I can move on to the seat. I mean, obviously I'm going to have to spend some kind of money on this project. You know, I'm going to have to buy tires, I'm going to have to buy brake pads, and I'm going to have to buy fluids, and so there is a few things that I will be buying for this bike, even though I've been saying that I'm not going to spend any money on this project. But that's just unrealistic. You have to spend some kind of money. Now I did not have anything to build the tail section for this, so I bought the tail section. So basically the money I saved on not having to rebuild the carburetors went to the tail section. Now I know a few of you have mentioned that you would never do this to your 850, and I understand. A lot of people like to make cafe racers, bob these off, do a lot of things. Me personally, I like crotch rockets, and I wanted to do something different, since this bike and others like it basically set the groundwork for the modern crotch rocket. This bike literally is a crotch rocket without the fairings and stuff on it. Inline 4-cylinder. So that's the way I'm going with this. And if you like it, awesome. If not, hey, maybe it'll turn out badly and you'll get to say, haha, that didn't work. But we'll see, right? This is not the seat I'm going to use, but I'm just kind of getting an idea here. I think the tail needs to come up so that this is more parallel with the ground. I think that'll look better. That a little bit. I can't do that because there's little tabs sticking out on this frame. Might have to cut those off. How's that look? Does that look any better? Yeah, I like that better. If I can get this to come up just a little more so that this is parallel with the ground, I think I'll like that better. I gotta remember too, it is sitting on the center stand, so it's kind of pitched forward. Alright, I think this is gonna work. I'm gonna have to do some mods to the frame back here, but I think I like it. Although I'm probably gonna have to buy the Gixxer tail light for this, just to make things easy, because it'll just bolt right in. I'll have to make a seat, a custom seat for this, and I'm only going to have one seat, because if you only have one seat, you don't have nobody sitting here saying, slow down, don't wheelie, blah blah blah. You know, when she digs her claws into your rib cage. Alright, that's looking more like how I want it. Yes. I'm just going to make the seating position a little weird, because this is at such a drastic angle right here. But I think that's going to be all right, because I mean you're going to be leaned forward anyway, so the curve of your butt's going to, I think that's going to be all right. So I just need to make the frame do frame things and attach this on here somehow permanently. There is a gap from like right here down to the frame. It's probably that far. I don't want to be sitting directly on the plastic. I want to be sitting on the frame, so I think the seat's going to have a mount on the bottom that sticks up, and it's going to have to rest on this bar here. So all the pressure of the seat's going to be on this, and because I don't want to, because this is all going to be open here. I don't want to put any pressure on that, or it'll break the plastic. The frame's going to have to be either bent up or cut off and re-welded, something here that gives a good angle for the tail light view in the back. I think I like it right there. I might bring this up to line this up with the frame here, so bring the front end edge up just that little bit there. I think I'm going to go with this. I like that angle. Yeah, I think I like that. Alright, I think I like this position. Take some measurements. Let's get to building something. Cue the montage. Alright, I like how this is looking. I think this is going to work just fine. I do want to make a couple crossbars, and I need to make some mounting places. I may or may not put a fill piece here. I do want to make some triangle pieces that go down here. And I think that fits pretty good in that position. So let's get busy on making some mounting tabs, and we'll go from there. this cover piece has like a tab sticking out here. It's supposed to hook in and latch, so I'm gonna have to make something to go here to hook this in. It also has, like on the side where you would stick your key to pop this off, it's got like a hooked latch here, and I kind of want to use that so I can have this for storage. So I'm going to make another piece here, and I got to make another piece that crosses here to support the back of the seat. So 2 more pieces in here. I don't have the mechanism with the key or anything like that. I may look to see if I can buy one maybe, or more than likely I'll just probably make something or something, but some way to make this thing latch down. So looking good so far. What do you guys think? Well, that's all the time I got for this project this week. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't be afraid to fix it. Thanks for watching.